Coucou tout le monde. Hey everybody. I hope you're doing well. I just thought you can just ignore my screen for a second and listen to me. I just thought that I would go over with you quickly what it is that I want you to do today so that you can actually hear the instructions and see them at the same time. So right now I'm clicking on lundi, le 13 septembre, Monday, September 13th, calendar mini project. So I'm in French 1 right now, and let me just go back so you can see what I did. I went to lundi. So there is the assignment. So basically, what I want you to do today is make a calendar, just a 2-week calendar, starting on today, lundi, le 13 septembre. So if you can label the top of the calendar with septembre, and then start the week with lundi. So I basically want it to look like kind of like this right here, septembre at the top. You can put 2021 and then write your days of the week: lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. If you want to color code le weekend, you can do that. I had another picture up here somewhere, but I can't seem to find it. Once you have created your calendar, and I want you to do this on paper. I know that you cannot see my face right now, but I'm emphasizing, please get out a piece of paper and do this on a piece of paper. Your lines don't have to be perfect. If you can't find a ruler, I'm not sure how many rulers I have in the classroom, but your lines don't have to be perfect. But feel free to use markers, and please do your best to write these words purposefully, mindfully, and neatly. That's a lot of lees, but I'm hoping you get the idea. As you are thinking about the way the words are spelled as you're writing them out, it's going to help you remember them. So, septembre, septembre, 2021. And then you're going to write out lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. So let me pop back here real quick to the instructions. You notice that I want you to fill in, up here, leave room in each box to neatly write out the numbers in French for each day, but don't take up the whole box. I will put a link in here. I haven't done it yet, but I will put a link in here for the numbers that you need to spell. I mean, you can see what I just did. I looked up the numbers in French. This one might be a good one here. Actually, yeah, here we go. Here's a good one. So I want you to write out the numbers in French for me in the boxes. So not just the numeral, but the actual spelling. So you're starting with 13. So you would write out Treize in your little box right here. 14. You're going to write it out in handwriting. Write it out. Okay. In addition, I have asked you to fill in any important days with pictures. Like if it's somebody's birthday, you can draw a birthday cake. If you have a soccer game, you can draw a little soccer ball. Maybe you have a test coming up. You can put books or a test paper, or maybe you can put the Netflix symbol if there's a day when you want to watch Netflix. But go through and try to think of events, make them important, even if they are not, and fill in some days with some pictures. Try to get at least 3 or 4 in there. That would be good. At the bottom of your calendar, or at the top, really. I guess you could put it anywhere. I want you to write out this question. Quelle est la date aujourd'hui? Quelle est la date aujourd'hui? So you could maybe put it down here if you have space, or leave space, since you're really only doing these, from the 14th to the 30th. You could put it right here if you want. And then I also want you to write out the answer. This is like the formula for the answer. Okay? So whenever I ask you, quelle est la date aujourd'hui, you can start with aujourd'hui, c'est, and then I have a plus symbol because you'll say the day of the week, like lundi. Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi, plus a le, plus the number, plus the month. Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi le 13 septembre. Notice that I said it, but I didn't actually say the plus symbols. I just put those there to help you understand that that's like the formula for saying what the date is. Okay? Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi le 13 septembre. Okay, once you have finished with those essentials, please feel free to add anything you'd like. Like up here, there's like an elf. There was another calendar that I saw. I think this one has foxes on it. Or maybe you want to put leaves or books, or I don't know, something simple, apples, to decorate your calendar. And I understand that I'm showing you digital calendars here and I'm asking you to do this handwritten, but that is what I want you to do. And then if you can please, either when you get home or during class, you could take it with your Chromebook if you want, take a picture of the calendar that you made during class and upload it in this assignment when you submit. And that's what I would like you to do for today. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm going to also try to submit a video for you tomorrow. And bonne journée.